think as you get older, you become a bit more aware of being healthier and a bit more fitter. We both love the outdoors. We thought, well, what better way to make a start than, give the Parkrun a go. I came down first time and it was really hard. But at the end of it though, I felt great and it was worth the hard work. Well, you're getting to know more people all the time and I've just joined the local running club as well. So the social side of it is great. My endorphins are going through the roof at the end of the Parkrun because it really does make you feel good.
I did my first Parkrun in Eastleigh, absolutely blew me away. Decided we had to have one in Newport and the rest is history really. We started one up at Tredigga House. Now really looking all over Wales to start more and more and more. I think once people get the idea that it's not a race, that actually you can walk it, you can walk and run it, anybody can do it, and that it's so inclusive and very welcoming, it's just really a social gathering.
What makes you keep coming back every week? It's that feel-good factor.